Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today I'm doing a formal Thanksgiving tablescape, and nothing dresses things up like a touch of black. So I'm going to be using lots of pumpkins with black accents. So let's take a look around the table. For this Thanksgiving tablescape, I'm using my black tablecloth, and to add some bling, I'm using my gold chargers. For the dinner plates, I'm doing a basic black. I picked these up a couple years ago at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be using dinner napkins also in black. And for the salad plates, I have this set from William & Sonoma. Each one has pumpkins and gourds and fall fruits with a gold edge. For the stemware, I have this pretty set of cut glass amber. These I got a few years ago at Walmart. And I have another set that are also amber with a wide gold rim. They're probably from the 1970s, and I got these at an estate sale. I think those are pretty to use for the fall season. And I'm going to be using my gold flatware. Here in the center of the table, I've used a pumpkin tureen. I ordered this a few years ago from the mail order catalog. And to bring in more of the black accents, I have this lovely pair of Empire candelabras. They normally reside in my den on my chinoiserie secretary. And then I also have a pair of single candlesticks in the black. And I've used black candles. Down the center of the table, I've used a berry vine that I've just zigzagged first. And then I've just collected some of my pumpkins and gourds together and strewn them around. I've got the little miniature white pumpkins. I've got various gourds. Got the orange pumpkins. And I've just tucked them in with some preserved leaves. I hope this shows up on camera like it does here. I think that all these bright golds and oranges against the black just have a Technicolor look. And at the risk of sounding odd, black is one of my favorite colors, whether it be in the wardrobe or accessories. A touch of black just always dresses things up. I found the William & Sonoma salad plates last year. I got them marked down after the season, and each one's got the different pumpkin or gourd. This one's got a white pumpkin with an apple. I've also used my pilgrims. Wouldn't be Thanksgiving without pilgrims. And here at this end of the table, I have an amber dish. It's probably from the 1970s, and I've just piled a few pumpkins in there. At this end of the table, I've got some pumpkin salt and pepper shakers. Here's another striped pumpkin on this salad plate. This is an old amber egg plate. I think it belonged to my grandmother. And of course, it wouldn't be Thanksgiving without a turkey, so I've got my amber turkey candy dish. Got a little acorn Limoges tile box. I like to put these on the table. If you have little ones, put a piece of candy corn or something to distract them, and it gives them something to play with rather than taking your table apart. And here at this end of the table, I have a black cake stand. It's a Mosier. And I've just set my pumpkin pie plate on top. The inspiration for this table really was the Williams & Sonoma salad plates that I picked up last year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a comment below and give this video a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, wishing you and your family a happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye now.